Your vision is a gift to be cherished for a lifetime. No one would want to imagine going through life without vision. Your eyesight is precious, and your sense of sight allows you to participate in the world around you. All of your memories, from the most important events and landmarks in your life to the tiniest details, are largely formed by your ability to see the world around you. So it's natural that you and your doctor want to help maintain your eyesight to the highest degree possible. But as you age, it's normal for your eyesight to worsen in various ways. Some common age-related eye problems may be presbyopia, which makes it hard to focus on close-up objects. Macular degeneration, creating distorted vision. Straight lines may appear crooked, magnified or diminished, or sometimes dim spots appear in the center of the visual field. And of course, many people get cataracts, the most common reason for deteriorated vision. With a cataract, the lens has become cloudy, so the images you see are blurred or hazy. Your doctor has made the determination that your eyesight is becoming impaired due to cataracts. But please, don't despair. Your doctor feels that you are an excellent candidate for cataract removal, which has the potential to improve your vision dramatically and permanently. And the best professional help you'll find for your cataracts is at the Eye Clinic Surgicenter. Our doctors and specialists are dedicated to maintaining and improving one of your most precious possessions, your eyesight. Founded in 1928, doctors at the Eye Clinic Surgicenter have been caring for patients in Montana for over 70 years. The Ambulatory Surgery Center, built in 1980, was the first outpatient eye surgery center in Montana. The Eye Clinic Surgicenter pioneered outpatient eye surgery in the western United States, and our doctors have provided exceptional eye care for the entire Northwest. Patients regularly come from hundreds of miles to have their eye surgery with us. Most are from Montana or Wyoming, though some have come from as far away as Texas and even from outside the country, thanks to word-of-mouth referrals from friends or relatives who were delighted with the wonderful eye care we've provided them. Each and every doctor at the Eye Clinic Surgicenter has the compassion, skills, and dedication required to provide the best possible care. The nurses, surgeons, and techs all work together to make your experience a positive one. Today, our doctors operate out of 5 centers throughout Montana and Wyoming. They've cared for patients with all types of blinding diseases, but by far, cataracts are the most common condition responsible for visual loss. Like a camera lens focusing light onto photographic film, the lens in your eye is responsible for focusing light into clear, sharp images on your retina. The lens is sealed in a tiny capsule, and as old cells die, they become trapped in there. As we age, those little dead cells build up in the capsule, and the lens goes from clear to milky, making images look fuzzy or blurry. It's much like a smudged camera lens, except that the lens is inside of the eye, not a film over the eye, and therefore cannot simply be wiped clean. Cataracts can't be treated with medicine or eye drops. The only treatment is to remove the cloudy lens from the eye so that light rays can pass easily, allowing images to be sharply focused on the retina. At the Eye Clinic Surgicenter, we continually strive to improve the surgery, taking advantage of the latest technology and surgical advances. We have successfully performed vision-saving surgery on tens of thousands of satisfied patients. Incredible advances in technology and microsurgical techniques have improved outcomes and resulted in a quicker recovery time, so that today you're able to go home immediately after the surgery. Here's what you can expect on the day of your surgery. We understand that you may be feeling some anxiety. Any surgical experience can be frightening, especially when it involves your eyes. However, we want to comfort you and instill your confidence in our amazingly skilled and talented team of experienced surgeons and eye care professionals. And again, we want to assure you that the success rate is very high and that you'll experience very little discomfort. From the time you arrive at the Surgicenter, our team cares for you with genuine concern and kindness. The ophthalmic technician will escort you to our preoperative holding area. A family member or friend may accompany you.
Hello, Helen. Nice to see you again. We're going to be going ahead with your cataract surgery today in the right eye. I want you to go ahead and place your chin there and keep your...
Your surgeon will examine your eyes immediately prior to the procedure.
Right up there.
When we are certain that everything is in order, our registered nurse will assist you to the operating room.
Okay, and I'm going to have you lay down with your head right up here on this little cushion.
During the procedure, you are not put to sleep, so there's no need for an IV. Usually, only eye drops are needed for anesthesia.
Just close your eyes. Good. Thank you.
Your surgeon uses a tiny specialized probe which generates high-frequency sound waves to break the cataract into fine pieces, which can then be aspirated from the eye. A specially designed lens is then placed inside the eye where the cataract had previously been. With these newer lens implants, sutures and needles are usually not required.
Everything went just perfect, Helen. Your surgery's all finished.
Good.
And everything went great.
The doctor will tape a shield over your eye for protection, and before you know it, your surgery is over. Amazingly, the majority of surgeries take only about 20 minutes. You'll recover and rest in our postoperative holding area with a family member or friend. We'll watch over you and talk further with you about caring for your eye after surgery. When we are sure you're doing well, we will release you to return home or to your hotel. You'll have very few limitations on your activities, and most of our patients don't even require drops afterward. Still, someone from our staff will contact you later that afternoon or evening to ensure that all is well.
Hello. Oh, Linda from the Eye Clinic. Oh, I'm just doing fine, and I'm so glad I had the surgery when I did. Thanks so much for checking up on me. You have a good day now. Bye-bye.
These are just a few of the thousands of happy clients who've had their eyesight restored by the professionals at the Eye Clinic Surgicenter.
The doctors and nurses at the clinic are wonderful. They're thoughtful, they're kind, they're very caring.
Dr. LaGreca is a miracle doctor. I came in to see Dr. LaGreca, and I had these thick glasses on. These glasses were so thick that people at different times would call them the Coke bottle glasses. We did the surgery, and it was a piece of cake like you'd never believe. Gee whiz, I can see bright colors. The white doesn't look like beige anymore on the walls.
It was a miracle for me. It was so miraculous that I still wonder, and I still have to double look to make sure I'm seeing what I'm really seeing. There was zero pain. Absolute zero pain.
Because there's nothing to be frightened of except you're afraid of something you don't know. And I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to be afraid of. It doesn't hurt, and it's worth the value of your life to have it done. To be able to see like you can see after it's over. And until you go through that experience, there's no way I can explain it to you. There's just no way.
I would recommend to anybody that asks for my advice, if they want to have complete care for their eyes, there's no place better to go than the clinic. Don't hesitate. Rather than going around and not being able to see and have things blurry, go have it done. Be able to see. Get back at your Hardinger or your wood covering or whatever you do, and enjoy life again.
At the Eye Clinic Surgicenter, we are absolutely committed to making your cataract surgery as successful and comfortable as possible, because it's your life, your vision, and our passion.